In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Squarespace website, a crucial step to ensure your valuable content is safely stored and easily retrievable if needed. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace account dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so now, as we'll be operating from this central hub. From this dashboard, you'll see a list of your active sites, if you have more than one, neatly laid out for easy selection. Next, you want to choose the website you wish to back up. Simply locate it in your list and take a close look to find those three little dots. Yes, those trusty dots are often the gateway to maintenance options you'd like to access. Go ahead and click on them. This small action will reveal a menu where we'll find our next step. Among the options you see, look for the Duplicate Website button. This feature is crucial because duplicating your site is the method Squarespace offers to effectively back up your content. Click on Duplicate Website, which prompts Squarespace to begin a swift duplication process. Once you've selected Duplicate Website, another option will appear prompting you to confirm this action. Squarespace knows a duplicate might not always be what you intended, so this confirmation step helps prevent accidental backups. Here, it's important to note that choosing duplicate does more than just copy your content. It creates an exact and complete replica of your existing site, including all your pages, content blocks, style settings, and any customized sections you've painstakingly built. Go ahead and click on Duplicate and allow Squarespace a short moment to work its magic. And there you have it, a complete backup of your site stored conveniently within your dashboard. This duplicate serves as a wonderful safety net. Whether you want to test new design ideas without impacting your live site, or you'd simply like peace of mind knowing everything's secured, this process offers just that. Bear in mind that while this duplicate exists within your Squarespace account, managing your account's space limits is important. Regularly review and decide which duplicates are essential for retention. Always ensure your site and its backups align with your intended use of Squarespace's resources. Backing up your Squarespace website might seem like just another task on your to-do list, but it's a protective measure that's well worth the effort. By following these steps, you ensure that your content is secure, so you can focus on what matters most: creating and sharing with confidence. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, feel empowered to explore, duplicate, and safeguard your digital space on Squarespace.